a rush you feel after editing a video for hours? You're proud, you're hyped, and you hit public, and then boom, crickets, low views, low watch time, and you start to wonder, did I do something wrong? I have been there. And what if I told you that hitting public right after upload might be one of the greatest mistakes that is costing your channel low views? Now, let's talk about it. Stick with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do instead, step by step, so that YouTube actually helps you get more views, more watch hours, and more subscribers, and also the audience that you deserve. Before we dive into this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so that you get first-hand notification every time I hit publish. Let's rewind a bit. When I first started uploading on YouTube, I thought that immediately that I hit public, YouTube would just automatically do its magic. I'll start appearing on home page, browse features, and everything. But that is not the case, because every time I uploaded, like for the first 1 hour, 2 hours, like nobody would click on my video. It was just low views, and I was wondering, what happened? What am I doing wrong? And I know I'm not alone on this. So before you upload that next video, let me tell you the truth that nobody's talking about. YouTube cannot help your video if you're not giving YouTube time to understand what your video is all about first. That is why uploading and instantly going public might be why you are getting low views. Here's how YouTube actually works behind the scenes. Every time you upload a video, YouTube needs time to understand the video. Like, I'm not just talking about the file. I mean scanning your title, reading your description, understanding your tags, even analyzing the actual content in the video. Have you ever seen that AI review below a video that says click to see what this video is all about? Yes, that is what I'm talking about. YouTube is using AI to learn to summarize your video. It listens, it reads, and it analyzes. But when you hit public immediately, the AI is unable to like do its job faster. It's still going to take a while before AI is like, okay, this is what this video is about. These are the type of people that we should push this video to. And guess what happens if YouTube is unable to like do that faster? You are going to have low views, because YouTube is going to move on to another video that has been able to like recognize and just push that one to the audience first before it comes back to your own video and try to like figure out what your video is about. So what should you do instead? First thing that you need to do is do not click on public immediately. When you upload, there are 4 options. You are going to see public, you are going to see private, you are going to see unlisted. So unlisted is basically your video is on YouTube, but it is only people that you share the link with that will be able to like see the video. Private means only you can see the video, and public means everybody can see the video. You see that schedule? That is the code. That is what we are going to focus on. And there's also members only. That means that it's only people that are members on your channel that can see the video. But that's, we are not focusing on that on today's video. We are going to focus on that schedule, public and private part. First thing, when you upload, set it to unlisted first. That means you are the only one that can see the video unless you share the link with other people. This one is going to give YouTube like a quiet time to like analyze your video, your tags, your title, your thumbnail, what the video content is all about, your auto captions and everything. Don't share the link with anybody, don't promote it. Give it like 12 to 14 hours. YouTube is going to be working in the background during that time. Step 2 is actually to schedule your video. And what do I mean? YouTube at that time to like figure everything out when your video is unlisted. Now you're going to now schedule that video. Say, okay, you gave it, maybe you uploaded the video today, Monday, and you give it like maybe 12, 14 hours. When it's like Tuesday morning, you are going to now schedule it like, okay, I want this video to be published by 6 p.m. Tuesday today. So this scheduling method help you to process your video, understand it, and also show it to the right people at the right time. Now, if you now want to take it a step further, what you are going to do is like set your video on Premiere. On this Premiere, YouTube is going to parade your thumbnail before the scheduled time so that people will know that, oh, this video topic is going to show by 6 p.m. Am I interested? People will click on less, turn on notifications so that whenever your video drops, everybody is going to see it. and there will be live comments where you can answer immediately. And this particular method is very useful if your audience is active and you want like promotion of the video ahead, because they are going to see like, okay, this is the topic that is coming up by 6 p.m. on Tuesday. Like, I'm so interested, I want to turn on. It's just like when you watch that TV series and it's like new episode drops by Tuesday 6 p.m. You know that you've already be like, okay, by 6 p.m. I want to watch this particular video. That is how YouTube Premiere is on YouTube. It really helps. It gets your audience hyped. Now, let me walk you through exactly how to do this on your laptop, on your system, or your Chrome browser. So this is what, after you have uploaded your video, instead of clicking on public, you are going to click on unlisted. And now, instead of unlisted, you are going to go to your schedule. On that schedule button, you see this time now, you cannot change it to any time. Right now, I want to change my own video to 6 p.m. and 6 p.m. today's date. As you can see it now, you are going to adjust the time, whether it's a.m. or p.m. Me, I'm choosing p.m. because I have no business uploading my a.m. Once you click on that checkbox, your video is going to upload at that particular time, no matter whether you have data, your Wi-Fi is on, or you're online, whatever. YouTube is going to automatically upload the video. So if you do it right, you're going to see that schedule badge on your video. When you go to your YouTube studio, you are going to see it, because this video will be scheduled at this particular time. Now, I recommend scheduling 1 to 2 days in advance. This is going to help you to take time to understand your video well. Like, already know the right audience that they want to push it to. And this also gives your video time, like, to promote your videos, especially if you set it to premiere. See, I actually know how frustrating it is to put your heart into a video only to be getting 10 views, and from that 10 views is from you refreshing your page like 6 times. Like, it can be so frustrating. I totally relate. But this small shifts can actually make a difference in your video. So don't rush. Give your content the roller time it deserves. And if you find this video quite helpful, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And with that being said, see you in my next video. Bye.